What's happening, guys? I got the Ontario 18-inch machete here. Came in just now. I got this on eBay for a good price. And also, I'll tell you why I got it. Alright, give me a few minutes to open this up. Yeah, just tear the whole thing up. No problem. Come on. There we go. Almost there. Put this aside. Alright, so here it is. I got the Ontario 18-inch machete here. Hope it's a, plain edge. Let's take a good look. And there we go. Got this for over 50 bucks. Come up here. Yeah. Of course, you already know, made in USA. It's got a lot of weight to it. Yep. And the question is it sharp? Just sharp, not razor sharp. Anyway, here it is. 50 bucks, can't go wrong. You can still get these. I'm not sure, but they became discontinued. I think Ontario went out of business or something, if that's true. Let me know if that's true. But anyway, you can still get these anyway. Alright, so, I'll tell you why I got it. I got it from my Friday the 13th Part 6 Jason Lives outfit right here. As you can see, I'm wearing the belt, Jason's belt here. And here it is. Here's the 18-inch machete. That's what I got it for. I got it for my Jason costume here. And there you go. It fits perfectly. That's what I got it for. Well, anyway, let me introduce you to my Jason outfit right here. This is it. Got this just recently. And there you go. That's it for. And I got this for 50 bucks. And of course, in the movie, this is the same exact machete that he used. Oh, in the movie, it was a mirror polish blade. And of course, to be honest, I'm not a I'm not a bladesmith, so I'm not really good in polishing. But in the movie, it was a mirror polish blade. Yeah, same exact size. In Part 6, that's what I got this for. I got it for my Jason Lives outfit here. And yeah, here's the belt. Yeah, here's the belt, the dart pouch, the machete sheath. Yeah. Alright, so anyway, 50 bucks, can't go wrong. You can still get these. And that's it. That's what I got it for. I got it for my Jason costume here. And there you go. Fits right. And that's pretty much it. I'm gonna get the mask next. Yeah, I'm gonna get the hockey mask next, which I don't have yet. I'm working on it, but that's what I got it for. I got it for this. And that's pretty much it. Oh, I forgot. Here's the gloves. Here's the gloves. Forgot to mention, here's the gloves. Here it is again. And that's it. Forgot to mention about that. So here's the gloves. Yeah, all I need is the mask. And there we go. Yeah, I forgot. Alright, so I gave you a good unboxing review on the Ontario 18-inch machete that I got on eBay. I bought it for my Jason Lives costume here. Hope you liked the video review, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.